everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 15 of saving daily in August. So today I do have $12. I think the next couple days it might go down to 10, but today I do have 12. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just kidding. We have 10 today. I guess we're starting with 10 today. All right, so we have $10. So 6 of that will go into my minis. So that means I need a D4, which I did not get, but here I have this one. So let's go to the back, and we are going to do our daily roll with a D4. We got 3. Okay, so we can put $3, 1, 2, and 3 in here. I can color in my circle. This just represents that I did my daily roll. I'm going to redo that other circle. Okay. So now this one is for my $1,000 savings that I made a freebie on my Ko-fi for my 1,000th video. I am saving with that on Friday nights. Okay, so that's good. So we need $1 worth of 50 cents. Because we have 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so I have $6 in quarters and $1 in 50 cents. Go to the front, grab my $6 worth. Put my $7 worth in here. So basically put our money in our bank, cash it with some prop coins that we'll just put like that. Now we can move all of these die. We just need this one. How are we doing? You can kind of see everything. Okay, let's get started. Oop, paper clip. We're starting at number 6. 1 and 2. 1 for 1. 1 for 2. 1, 2 for 3. 1 for 4. We're going to be here for a little bit. 1 for 5. Come on. 2 for 6. 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. 1, 2, 3 for number 2. 2 for 3. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. 1 for 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. We have 1 left. So that is going to go for number 1, which means we are going to start on number 2 tomorrow. Alright, so let's go to 1. We're going to scoot you there. Alright, so number 1, we have, oh, we did get a 50, so 25, 25. So we have $1.50 going into number 1. So this one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. This will save us $4 when we are done. All right, and then number 2 got 25, 50, 75, $1. Number 2 is from Kimmy's Corner. So it worked, but it's still like it's smeared a smidge. Oh, come on, focus. But it's still there. Like, I'm going to call that a win. So we have another $1. And I just love that their color is actually what's on the lid, as opposed to you pick a blue and it's nowhere near what you thought it would be. So, all right. So this one is from Kimmy's Corner. And then number 3, we got 25, 25, 25, 25. So $1. And it is this one from Tony at Dough and Discipline. We only needed 75 and we finished it. Yay! So 25, 50, 75. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. This saved us $4. And it's just going to the biz. And then we have 25 to go into a new one. Just gonna pick this one. All right, this one is from Jeanette over at Jeanette's Journey. I was a winner. Yay, look at how pretty that is with the purple. All right, we have 25 cents. So we're just gonna go on the bow. Bow. Okay. And then number 4 got $1, so 25. Oh, this gets cuter every time. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do 4 more horseshoes. 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. And then number 5, got 50 cents. This one is from Cynthia Budgets, Home Savings. She's the one that I did, the one where it was like the little bungalow on the beach, and now this is the little teepee that looks actually super comfortable inside, if I do say so. I love the little lamps and the little lights. Okay. This makes me want to go camping, but in like a cabin. All right, 25 and 50. Okay. So 6 should have the other 50 cents. Yep, there it is. Okay. So 50, 25, $1. And then we have 25, 50, 75, $2 going into number 6. Oh, and we only needed $1.25. Yay! So we have 75 cents we can put to a new one. So I'm going to color in these circles and be right back. Okay. So this one saved us $7. It says Shark Finder. I'm going to put the $7 to the biz. And I'm going to put the Great White Couch to Shark. A couple more dollars. My business could use all the help it could get. All right, so we have 75 cents to go into a new one. Oh, more ice cream from Judy at, I think it's Judy, it doesn't say. Save with Judy. Uh-oh, brain freeze. All right, so I can do 75 cents. So I will be right back. All right, there's our ice creams. Perfect. All right, so we have our $1.50 pieces we can put back here. Go up to the front, grab our 25 cents. All right, and we finished the Great White Couch from Tony at Dough and Discipline and Summertime from Candy at Stuff and Budgets. So $7 for the biz and $4 for Shark. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 Shark, 7 biz. All right, I'm going to take the gamble and put these back. That I'm going to remember that. 4 Shark, 7 biz. 7 biz. I am just going to put it into shipping. Okay, and then $4 for Shark. I just have to remember to take it out of here when I do the Shark binder. So that's the $4 going in here. Yay! All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for day 15. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.